Hi, I am Jazz. We are delighted that you have decided to take in pure jazz at the Pavilion on the ramp on May 7th and 9th. These two events promise to be exhilarating. Do enjoy. To ensure that your commute is seamless, we have established park and ride facilities with paid shuttle services to and from the Pavilion for your convenience. They are Baywalk Shopping Mall Car Park in Rodney Bay and Lamar Waterfront along the Rodney Bay Strip with paid shuttle service to and from the Pavilion on the ramp. Shuttle tickets will be available for purchase at each park and ride. For motorists who are authorized to park at the venue, please be sure that you have the requisite vehicle pass to facilitate access past the checkpoint. No unauthorized vehicles will be allowed to access the venue without the approved vehicle pass. Shuttle drop-off and pickup will be at the checkpoint just outside of the venue. We thank you for disembarking the shuttle at that location. At the close of the event, shuttles will be on hand to return you to the Lamar Waterfront Car Park and Baywalk Shopping Mall Car Park. For motorists exiting the ramp on Radway Beach, turn right onto Radway Beach Avenue. Take your first left onto Almond Road, then turn right onto Flamboyant Drive. Stay right on Flamboyant Drive to the junction where Flamboyant Drive meets Radway Beach Avenue. Turn left onto Radway Beach Avenue. At the fork, veer right on Radway Beach Avenue along the Starfish Hotel. Continue along this route to the roundabout next to Carleon Court at the junction of Radway Beach Avenue and the Gros-Islet Highway. Exit left or right onto Gros-Islet Highway. Do get home safely. We look forward to welcoming you on May 7th and 9th at the Pavilion on the ramp for pure jazz.